My name is Jose Meza, and I'm a construction manager for Elevation Basements. I've been with Elevation for about a year now. My day-to-day responsibilities include communicating with homeowners, making sure trades are taking care of their scopes, and just checking job sites, making sure projects are running smoothly. My favorite part about finishing basements is each project is different, so it doesn't get mundane from the day to day. Everybody has their own creative little aspects they bring to their projects, whether it's really cool theater rooms to golf simulators or just really nice hangout spaces. Every job is something new. What's most important to clients working with Elevation is making sure that we are communicating with them and that they understand what's happening throughout the project, and making sure that we answer any questions, concerns, or just making sure that they are kept up to date.